Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see a beautiful bit of kit, American Iron Horse. Sorry, Big Dog. Pretty much the same bike, to be honest with you, different frame. You can see here, sissy bar. Okay, this is a sissy bar that we've done for this particular bike. This is for the 250 tyre Big Dogs. It's actually been cut out here, which the next ones will be all laser cut. This is one that we've modified for something we already do. Basically, this allows you to swivel a mud guard up. If you take the two bottom bolts out, undo the bolt there and pull the sissy bar off, almost like a quick release system, as opposed to if we were to fit it here and here with the bolts, it'd be too far forward for the pillion. Okay, got a little rack built in. This one will be powder coated black to match the bike because he wants to do it in black, but that's why we've cut it. We've not laser cut it and had it chromed afterwards. But cracking looking bike. Rear footrest we fitted on. You can see here for the pillion, which before you couldn't do, and the sucker seat. This is one of the old sucker seats that basically you can't even get them off, but that's stuck on really well. But if you're interested, these are available in black or chrome. Like I say, the original one would have fitted on these two bolts here. You basically got to drill the struts. There is a video on how to do this and how to fit it. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu, if the bloody French ever sort it out. Thank you.